Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through a quick and simple process to disable app icon badges for followers and contacts notifications on the X app. If you've ever felt distracted by those little numbers or symbols appearing on your screen, this will help you keep your phone looking cleaner and less cluttered. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and go directly to your settings. This is where you'll find all the control options for your apps and notifications. Next, scroll down until you see Apps. Tap on it, and this will open a full list of the applications installed on your device. From here, find and select the X app. Once you're inside the app's settings, tap on Notifications. This is the section that controls everything related to alerts, sounds, and visual badges. Now, look for something called Notification Categories, and tap on that. Within this area, the notifications are organized into specific categories so you can manage them individually without turning everything off. Scroll until you see the option labeled Followers and Contacts and tap on it. Inside this category, you'll notice the toggle switch that controls app icon badges. By default, this is usually turned on, which is why you're seeing those small notification dots or counters on your app's icon. To turn them off, simply toggle the switch to the off position. That's it. You've successfully disabled the app icon badges for followers and contacts notifications on the X app. From now on, your app icon will stay clean without those tiny alerts appearing, while you'll still receive notifications inside the app itself if you open it. This adjustment can make a big difference if you want fewer distractions on your home screen, while still having control over what type of notifications you receive. It's a small change, but it can really help you focus on only the alerts that matter most to you. And there you have it, a straightforward way to take control of your notification settings.